butter and jam, but they don't give you a knife to apply it to the bread, and they just give you this spoon that's used for the yogurt. So I guess the Wunderbarer Express team just expect every person to use the same spoon that they use for their yogurt to also apply their butter and jam to the bread. I guess it's a bit odd, but anyway, quick. Just very basic omelette and chives, nothing too extensive. It's okay, just a basic, simple meal, I guess. So yeah. Of course it's delicious, it's just packed with sugar and artificial sweeteners. Quite a sour underlying taste. Once that sweetness goes away, you can definitely taste the chemicals. I don't think that's good to serve out to human beings, man. I wouldn't give this to a rodent.